Nicole here from Watchonista, and today, rev your engines and prepare to race through time with TAG Heuer's new Monaco Split-Seconds Chronograph in celebration of the Monaco's 55th anniversary. In a black DOC Grade 5 titanium 41mm case, you'll find a partially skeletonized dial. But what really gets your heart racing is the newly launched TAG 8100 mechanical split-second chronograph caliber, crafted entirely in titanium, and it's the lightest automatic chronograph movement yet, weighing just 85 grams. Dynamic and sporty red with a black DOC fine-brushed, sun-blasted and polished titanium arcs, as you can contemplate on this video. Available from this June, the Monaco Split-Seconds Chronograph models are destined to become collector fodder and will be priced accordingly at 165,000 Swiss francs. What are your thoughts? Come and read some more on watchonista.com.